He didn't want to take the water anymore. Doing it. I think she might have seen something in the water.
This is what happens after a cat has too much catnip.
She doesn't know how much she doesn't eat catnip. What are you talking about?
Mine was funnier.
What do you mean?
Oh, look at the thing. She wants to get the fresh water from the bottom. That's what she's doing. She's just making sure that no bacteria goes in the water because the water needs some circulation. We have smart cats. Yep, that's what she's doing.